So now that my car is kaput and needs a complete rebuild, I've got Aidan's car over here to put our angle kit in and get it all ready for this Saturday. So it's going to be a big week, a big next couple of days actually. It's already Tuesday, so we need to get this thing all ready, give it a birthday and some big angle before Saturday. Change out this big seat because I can't even reach the pedals. And then we've put Aidan's car on the hoist. We've taken off the bonnet and the front guards. We've got our engine support brace up there, taking the weight of the engine. Just going to lift it up and take out the subframe and all the lower suspension components. And yeah, good to go. Alright, so we just got the subframe out. Just got the steering rack just sitting in there. She's pretty dirty under here. The wheel bearings feel pretty well shot. One's got pretty bad movement, the other one's very rumbly. Yeah, you could do all the real good degrees under here. She's pretty thick. Nice. A bit of rust. So just setting up these front coilovers, doing this side and turning the spring and wondering why it was moving quite a bit. Yeah. She's a bit bent, this shock. Quite a bit bent. Right, it's 9 o'clock on a Friday night. Just got back from Limitless Tyres at Mount Maunganui. We've just taken the S13 over there for a quick wheel alignment before the Mad Mike Drift Force tomorrow morning. So yeah, we're just gonna get the truck all ready and packed up, ready to go. So we've got our pallet of tools here, welder, all the tools we need, jack. I'm just gonna get the forks, put that on the back of the ute. And then to fit the final piece to the puzzle, the quick little bash bar I made up. Thanks to Central Blast and Paint for getting it nicely painted for us. We'll sit her on and see what she looks like. Kind of looks the part. Well, it will protect the vitals in case anything happens. Right, I'm off to sleep. I'm bloody tired. And I'll see you guys in 1 second when I've had a nice sleep, and yeah.